Yahuda Israel, and I'm on the Creative App Development Program, MA, at Falmouth University. I'm actually developing a concept that's been used in many other years of keys, basically locking your car and being able to access, drive it off, and do more with it, like open boot openers and things. And also, this is derived for the safety features of the vehicles. At the moment, they have keyless entries, they have keys, normal keys, and aspects like that. How I might approach this is actually coming through developing an app that might actually work together with it. With this system I was developing, I'm here. This is a 99 model Land Rover Freelander. I had to reverse engineer this car to make it do what I needed to do on the application. The first thing that let me down is this board. The Propex development board let me down very bad, to the point I just left it there. So if I had used a decent board, I would have got all the systems to work. But on here, I came to understand that I needed to get to, let me just go on to this Heinz manual, the diagram of this car. This is a key switch, and then it comes onto here. The red and white wire goes into the fuse box inside the car, and then comes out and goes onto the relay box, which is over there somewhere, and leaves the relay module and goes all the way in a brown and red wire into the car starter motor. In the car starter motor, it has a solenoid. That solenoid actually turns, when it's energized, it turns the motor. The motor then turns over the engine, and in this case, the engine starts running. That's what we're trying to achieve with an application. So if we can develop an application that can do this, we are in. So far that I have right now is I made a little box, and inside the little box is a little relay PCB. As you can see, it's flashing. It's Bluetooth. That flashing shows it's not connected. And in here, like I said, I'm going to try and start this car from here without any person inside the car. So all these wires are connected to this key switch that sends a signal to the car to be able to turn it over through the relay module, right? Like I explained earlier on. So here, I need to make sure that there's no one in the car. I'll come in here. I'll connect to the small relay module here. It's saying it's not connected, so we're going to connect it now. You will see that red flashing light will go solid, and that will show that it's connected. It's now gone solid, which means it's connected. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this car from here. Look, there's no one in the car. No one is sitting in this car. Nobody's been there. So we'll start it now. There you go. The car has now started straight from here. You can hear it running. So I'm just quickly going to explain what is going on here. Right, I have this relay module. It's got positive and negative coming from the battery, and then you got the common positive. Right, this common goes switches on that, and that's what's running and turning over that car. So turning over the engine of the car. With that, I think we got this on the go. Yeah, well, I had to reverse engineer everything that I had to do on that Freelander 99 model. I had to reverse engineer that to be able to connect that system to run off the Bluetooth. So what I need to do on that, so I don't use third-party software, I need to actually make up my own software using Arduino. Well, the Propex board, development board, that red board, let me down badly. And I have this PCB that came in late. This needed to actually connect to the Arduino. Then I'll work through it. Hopefully that will be done on the next stage. With that, I say many thanks.